Oleh silan ni bayang oleh nalua auto fiong ai fa masino la nga ya trai nei ya tato sui tai to atasi ina ngana fa Samoa oleh fa saniti atu mai la ngana tawana yel fa funga le oleh la e fo nei pole ie e fa sangiti nga ilunga ale nei la oleh nga ya to fa lo atu ta longa tai tasi wa mafai ona to mai fa pito ai tato tau sala to al se follow le tau sala
She's representing an outfit for baseball.
Olana ta'alonga yale na wa sila yai ole baseball.
Mai tau fa masino ila na pasa niti la e te mai tai Samoa pe alu e fai te alu fafo po le alu foi e ta'alo ila ta'alonga ya malo ta'alo ye la e te mai te fia ile baseball. Black lava with flower border. Regular baseball outfit with a black hat provided by the governor. Special day, black hat, a bat, a club, ready to swing. Let's go, Pata! Let's hit one for the Beautification Committee!
Ole tato tau sala lona lua malana tale yo talonga Fatima Ferguson.
Fatima Ferguson represents Track and Field Sports Federation of American Samoa with her Fasanichi look, black ties with a design t-shirt, lava with authentic Mare prints on it, t-shirt designed by Lefkant of Santa Samoa. And just watch that headband that goes with it. Any man would love that. Isn't she sassy? Beautiful Fatima Ferguson for Track and Field.
Oleh sini tato tau sala la sila mai foi lana fatan nyeti malana ta'alonga Agnes Tupua win. Si ua mea mafa.
Representing Emalani's Cabaret. She's a widow, isn't she beautiful? Gold, blue and orange, sportswear, Latex style, psychedelic printing with orange lava outside. Emalani's Cabaret made it. She also designed it for 2 days. Her accessory, a 24-pound dumbbell. Her journalist,
A lot of foul. Dato Mana Mel Nea Fiafi Moana Hatter.
Spencer's Incorporated. Look at that picture. This t-shirt with collar and pocket has letters on back. It says Omi Team.
Ole stoile na. Fata fulo na alu tauwanga fata vale polo. Ele ai pasi tauwanga na sa o alta na fata vale. Ai pa utua vale. O se te mai tai. Wa matua se lau pasene lo na tobai fata vale polo vai po e alu polo kau le alu. Batu mai bo Moana Hatter. Oleh tato tau sala lona lima Seilala Roberts.
Representing Golf Association of American Samoa. Yep. Quality. Seilala Roberts is Fasanichi look, designed by herself. Simple sportwear. Yes. Red polo top with white Scottish style pants. Inlay trimming ribbon to match the style around the legs. Lava red inlay. Hey you 20s and 30s, eat your heart out. And pants made by herself. That material $1.45. Say yeah, let's ready for another tea. Say Lala. Yay!
Roberts. Mai ta longa tanga polo lona onos. So
Pacific International Engineering. Yes, representing Kilikiki Fa'a Samoa. What a yellow.
La talonga Fa'a Samoa. Kirikiti. Leta matayo so upu vao malo. Sa avea mafatea ale lau salako. Ma el matua mawa ele ta li tua a ia fape foi ona ai silia tolu kirikiti na le lua ai na mawa Saudi te amane tu Saudi pata wat over the top fitu ai tasi le pe ia ma nala wa Saudi atu bole lape tasi le pe tolu ai so upu bao malo Alright. Laisina nei tato suita wala sila foi lana talenyo talonga pa felo ayatu o salaina aloa mafa lua falemana o mafa Mafa Lua Falemana Se fulu tausanga o vema champini ile telo polo ile iloa la nota. Che pati mai Mafa Lua Falemana Tua matau tia le nei tangata taalo. Pau le nei tangata. Ele fa ngate neti e fa ngalu ol pa fa yolam tenisi. Ola tata o tau sala lona valu le nei. Lucia Barley. Sa tasi le nei sui longa America Samoa. Le nei ta longa o le basketball. Ya now fai lo atu oi. Lana taleni ma le tomai da foi ta longa. Lucia Barley. Ma le malu mata mo fie. O lo iona ao. O Lucia le ngata le ta longa sa mai tai foi fai pisinisi longa ya America Samoa. Ya nawa tongin pora lo atu Missy. Lucia Barley. Ia tato koe vaenga po le nei po fa fela iatu. Ia se tasi nei o tomai tai longa e matau tia lana taleni. Usila sila Caroline Coffin. Ale se koe fa.
Ole wasaudi mai nei tatu tomai tai mole netball America Samoa. Anna Ioane Koloi. Just watch that girl go. Yes, you would find a lover. That's Fasaniti. Now, isn't that what you use every day? Relax it. And yes, show up that Fasaniti. When you go to the netball field, yes, sirree, you would see Anna Ioane Kolose. You wouldn't believe she has 7 beautiful children. She still plays netball.
Anna Ioane Koloi. Ia ba te vangala nei po te tau sala le nei o la ngai mai Caroline Coffin.
Caroline Coffin is the quarterback for the school lunch program. Watch that number 10 go for the school lunch. We'll see if she's gonna get a score. Red football pad, passing, shoulder pads, and helmet with Ele Lava Lava. Fasamoa Ele. Watch that 59-year-old lady go, football style. Yes, I think she's gonna try for a foot down. Number 10, the quarterback for Famaitua High score. Let's see, she's got a long pass. Touchdown! The school lunch program, Coffin, number 10. And now we complete the second category, the Fasa Nitilok ladies.